This video demonstrates the copy site configuration tool, which is a very useful tool when you have a certain site that you want to replicate over and over again. For example, what we're going to do here is look at this site, which is Acme Construction Site 5. On this one, I'm going to want to apply a padlock to this. I want to have two zones in CCTV. I'm going to have a sensor on every one of my gates as well. My users, who's over here, are going to be the same people I want to add to them as well. So what I do with that in mind then is, here's a site I want to replicate, Acme Construction Site 5. I'm going to find an empty site. So in this case here, I can see that this one here is empty. There's no port in there, and there are no users against that. So I'm just going to grab that, and I'm going to press C, Control C, copy that. Now I go to Mac at the Construction Site 5. I click on the T toolbar here on the right, and I go to copy site configuration. So I have the choice to do automatic site selection, which will automatically choose the sites that are still empty. In this case, I thought it'd be better to show we actually decide what you want to choose. So if I untick that, I can now paste in my code of the way I want to apply it to. And that is now picked it off the list. So I click on that. I confirmed as a site that is real fake. I got to give it a site portal name. So in this case, it's another one. So it's actually Acme as well. And it's going to be Acme Construction Site 6. And do I want to add it to the group? Yes, I do. I want to add it inside Acme as well. And what step the other one was. And do I want to copy the users? Yes, I do. So again, we can call it something different, but in this case, I'm going to copy and paste that, call it the same thing. So here's the site now. This got these UV in the portal. This is what to be delivered it's going to be in, and these are all then new users that we get. It is everywhere there for previous sites and site 5 and address copy. When that's done, so I can now have the option to go back to the original sites or go to the new sites. So I go to the new sites. It's all configured in exactly the same way and set up and ready to go.